Hello, in this video I'm going to introduce you to the Guitar Templates neck centering and bridge locating jig. In guitar making there are a number of things that have to be done with accuracy if we're going to have a playable guitar. Two of those things is making sure that the neck and the body are perfectly in alignment on the center line, and secondly that the bridge is put in the right place. Now whether you make an electric guitar or an acoustic guitar, the same applies. So this jig from Guitar Templates is designed to do both those things, and it's also capable of handling some situations that similar centering jigs just can't. So stay with me. In this video series I'll take you through how to use it and what its features are. Let's take a quick overview of the neck centering and bridge locating jig. This is the headstock end. There's a handy hole to hang it on a pin. A slot here for the nut to come through. This is where the zero line is marked, so this is the zero line for your scale length where everything's marked from. There's a centering scale. In fact there's not one, not two, but three centering scales down the length of the neck. These are blocks. Four of them allow you to locate the jig on the neck with the center line centered and hold that in place. There are some 1/4 inch holes drilled, 3 of them on the center line. These might be useful if you want to put a 1/4 inch pin through to a line on a truss rod slot. They're not necessary, however. And down here we have the 7 most common guitar scale lengths for acoustics and electrics marked A to G. Next we find a scale marked here which allows you to locate the bridge locating blocks for any scale length. However, there are 7 handy index marks marked A to G along the sides here which correspond to these scale lengths. So you simply, if you're using one of the standard scale lengths, line it up on there and we'll be able to put the bridge in the right location. Bridge locating is done with these blocks. There's 2 acoustics, one for steel string, one for nylon string, and 2 electrics, one for Fender style bridges and one for Tune-o-matic style bridges. Lastly, 2 very important devices for securing and holding the jig on the guitar neck. Okay, let's have a look at how it works.